Hello dear beautiful ladies. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion styles with Vidanas. I hope so, dear beautiful ladies, you all are fine and cool, enjoying the good conditions of your health and doing well. So dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, I am going to share with you more than 100 plus styles and designs of beautiful handmade flower earrings. Flower jewelry styles and designs for my dear beautiful ladies and girls. So the handmade earrings are a unique crafted piece of jewelry that showcase the individuality and creativity, and they can be a unique designs, high quality materials, and they will be crafted with care and attention to detail, ensuring a beautiful finishing. Handmade earrings can add a touch of personality and elegance to any outfit. Flower earrings are a type of jewelry, dear beautiful ladies, that features floral designs. And they can be real flower earrings. Artificial flower earrings are a floral designs earrings featuring floral patterns, often made from metals or glass or other materials. So you can wear these stylish flower handmade earrings for your casual to formal wears. These earrings are perfect for your everyday wears, adding a touch of elegance to casual outfits, and also suitable for your wedding parties or other formal occasions. Flower earrings can complement outdoors settings and garden parties. So those girls, those women who love to wear handmade jewelry styles and designs and would love to style the flower earrings. I hope so this video is going to be helpful and useful for you. Flower earrings can add a touch of whimsy and femininity to any outfit. You will be find out clay earrings, you will be find out wide wrap earrings, you will be find out beaded earrings. Made from colorful and featuring intricate white designs and details made with beads, featuring traditional or occasional designs. So much watch with pretty and dear beautiful ladies. Very beautiful styles, very beautiful designs, the versatile collection of handmade flower earrings are coming up next in this video. I love all these designs, I love all these styles. So if you are loving these designs, these styles of these beautiful earrings, so please dear beautiful ladies and girls, do like my video and then share my video with your loved one. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share my video. The purpose of making my today's video is just to giving you all your styles and designs of handmade flower earrings for enhancing your everyday look, for enhancing your formal looks, for your classy and elegant look. If you are new on my channel, dear beautiful lady, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you beautiful ladies and girls, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any style, any design on my channel. You will get all the notifications of my videos and will never miss any idea, any collection. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So for more amazing ideas, for more collections, for more styles and for more designs, Do visit on my channel and watch the other videos of styles and fashion with Fianas. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you. And you will get new ideas, new styles and new designs from those videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more styles and for more designs. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also giving your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, dear beautiful ladies, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles, designs for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Watch video till the end and enjoy the video.